welcome back to my channel. What is up? What it do? What is going on? What is crack-a-lackin'? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my deep condition routine from start to finish. I'm going to be working on fourth day hair. I think it's fourth day hair. And I'm going to show you guys how I deep condition my hair from start to finish, and what I do and why I deep condition my hair. So stay tuned. So guys, this is my hair, fourth day. You know, I had to rock a little slick bun because I didn't know what to do with my hair. Don't wash my back knee. Right now I'm just massaging my scalp, lifting up my hair because it was gelled down, and just stimulating some blood, you know, get that blood flow going. So prior to me deep conditioning my hair, I like to work with clean hair. Everyone has their preference. It's just what I like. I mean, I don't shampoo all the time. Okay, no, I'm lying. I do shampoo all the time before I deep condition my hair. Right now I'm just using my Ouidad curl quencher. It's a moisturizing shampoo, nothing too fancy. So I start off by applying the shampoo to my scalp, and then I kind of let it run down to the ends of my hair. I don't really rub it too much into my ends as yet. I kind of just let it run down. So I focus on my scalp mainly, you know, massage it to lift up all the dirt and the product buildup, and then I work it through my ends. And after that, I rinse it out, and again, I'm working in sections, and I go in and apply my deep conditioner, and I'm using the Shea Moisture Strengthen, Grow, and Restore Treatment Mask, and I just work it into my hair. And I use the prayer method because I find that it really helps to smooth the product onto my hair. Oh my god, yes, I'm using a brush on my hair. Again, there is a way that you can use a brush without damaging your hair. I start from my ends and I work my way up, and this is also another way for you to distribute the product throughout your hair. After fourth day hair and detangling my hair, this is all the dead hair that came out. So after I detangle my hair, I go in and massage my scalp really nice. You know, when you're applying that deep conditioner to your hair, but you want to make sure you're also working it into your scalp and throughout your hair. Don't just apply it and just leave it. So guys, I just came out the shower and the deep conditioner is still in my hair. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick background of what deep conditioning is. So you're applying a deep, thicker conditioner to your hair for an amount of time to treat it and repair damaged hair. So while the deep conditioner is in your hair, it penetrates your hair in order to do so. Some people like to apply heat to their deep treatments and some people don't. I do both. It just depends. I don't really like applying too much heat to my hair, but just for the sake of this video today, I'm actually going to show you how, or one way how I would go about applying heat to my hair when I have my deep conditioner in. There's actually two types of deep conditioners, and a lot of you guys are probably saying, what? So that is protein treatment, and then you have your moisture deep treatments. The protein treatments are designed to help to strengthen your hair, improve elasticity, equalize porosity. I can never say that damn word, porosity. So equalize porosity, improve appearance to your hair, and as well as add body to your hair. A lot of you guys ask me, what have I done in the past to recover heat damage or any kind of damage that I had in my hair? And protein played a big part in my natural hair journey. So damaged hair needs regular protein treatments until the hair is like fully repaired. After you apply your protein treatment, you want to make sure you're going in with your deep treatment moisturizer to add that moisture to your hair. Some people are actually protein sensitive, and protein can leave your hair feeling a little brittle. So you want to make sure you're going in with a deep treatment after to add that moisture and to balance back out the moisture in your hair. So a moisturizing deep treatment will help to add moisture to your hair, keep moisture in the hair, and as well as help to soften your hair over time. So just a tip, like for example, if you choose to do a protein treatment this week, the week after, try adding a deep moisturizing treatment. There's a lot of deep treatments out there. Number one for me right now is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil treatment. Another one is by Aussie, and it's called a 3-minute moisture treatment. Third one that I like is the Ouidad 12-minute treatment. My sister actually introduced me to that one. That one is bomb.com. I really love that one. And again, these three that I'm naming right now, they're all very moisturizing to your hair. And as for protein, I've used Romoni Rescue Me protein treatment, and you have Aphogee. Those are the two that I really use. Yeah, those are the only two proteins that I've actually tried out. Okay, so how do I deep treatment my hair? So first off, I start by pre-pooing and washing my hair with a sulfate-free shampoo. Then after that, I part my hair, or I section my hair in however many sections that I want. Usually I work in 2 sections. Then I apply the deep treatment mask to my hair, and I kind of just finger comb my hair if I can, depending how detangled my hair is. But I'll kind of like try to rub the product as much as as much as I can into my hair, or I'll use a prayer method to kind of smooth it onto my hair. Now sometimes I use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair while the deep treatment's in it, or I use a brush. Mainly I use a brush, and I know you guys are probably gonna say, oh my god, you're ripping out your hair and all that stuff, but honestly, to me it depends on how you're using the brush. Like whenever I'm detangling my hair with the brush, which you're gonna see in this video, I start from the ends and I work my way up, and at the same time, using the brush or a comb or your fingers, it's helping to distribute the product throughout your hair as well. So today I'm going to be applying heat, and in order to do so, there's some people, you can either use a hooded dryer, or you can just kind of run the dryer through your hair, like just move it around, but you know, that's kind of tiring. What I do is I use my attachable hooded dryer. So this is it. And I've actually used this in one of my previous curly hair routine videos, but this is how it looks. So this part goes over your head, and then this part attaches to your dryer. And I know everyone's gonna ask me, where did I get this from? I got this from Sally. I'm pretty sure it was Sally. I don't think it was Amazon. I think I bought this at Sally. It's called attachable hooded dryer, and it's really convenient. All you have to do is just attach this part over your dryer. So this is my blow dryer, and all I have to do is attach this part. So this is like it has like an elastic around it, so you just attach it. And then this part goes over your head. Sometimes this slides off, but with this dryer I haven't been having too much trouble with it, but this part goes over your head. And then I'm gonna use medium heat. So yeah, as I turn the blow dryer on, it's just gonna like blow up in like a balloon, and I'm gonna do this for about 15 minutes. You can do it as much as you want, but I'm just gonna do it for 15 minutes and then let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for the next 15 minutes without any heat. So it's been about 15 minutes that I've applied some heat to my hair. So I'm actually gonna go and rinse this out of my hair, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is my hair after I washed out the deep conditioner. I used cool water to rinse out my hair to seal in that moisture from the deep conditioner. Then I went in and applied conditioner to my hair just for some extra moisture to make sure my hair is moisturized. Again, I live in a cold country, and right now the weather's been too up and down, and it's like dry and it's cold, and I want to make sure my hair is moisturized, especially because I'm leaving it to air dry. So I applied some extra conditioner, and this is my hair. I applied a little bit of oil to my roots because that's something I always do to keep my scalp healthy, but that's another whole video for you guys that I'm gonna talk about and do. But I'm just gonna go in and style my hair as usual, and I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm not gonna diffuse because I just applied heat with the deep conditioner, so I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, you know, because informative is always good, because some of us be lazy to be doing our own research. And I hope I answered some of your guys' questions as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, pieces. Later, guys.
Pieces, guys.